Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to integrate CK4 editor in PHP and MySQL. So I'm going to show you this. This is the official site for CKEditor, and I'm just going to show you the quick start and CDN for the CKEditor. Now for CKEditor 4, there you can see if you want to use this CDN and how you can use CKEditor for replacing your text area, and URL structure is also defined with version number. After that, the distribution of CKEditor. Now if I'll show you a quick start, there you can see the CK4 editor download, and you can download it in 4 different packages: basic package, standard package, full package, and customize. So in the URL structure you can see the version, that is 4.13.1, and the standard package is in the link. So I'm just going to show you, this is the form I have created for my text area, from which I'm going to insert in the database. Let me show you my database. Localhost phpmyadmin ERP test, and then task table, in which there you can see I have inserted in my previous video like how you can insert into database with normal text area. And now I'm going to copy this CDN link from the site and going to paste in my header. Now I have to paste this link into my head. So for that, just scroll up to head and paste there. And after that, let me show you my text area. So that's the text area with name, description. I'm going to give an ID to that. That is editor 1. And let me again go to the website and copy the script for replacing that. And in after body, I'm going to paste that script. So there you can see its ID is same with the text area. So let's refresh our browser, and now you can see our normal text area is replaced with CK standard text area. And if I'll write some text for testing, if I'll write CKEditor tutorial and save that, and let me check it in the database. Now you can see it stored with our paragraph HTML tag. It's not normally stored like in previous video I have shown you how you can store this, but here you can see that it's stored with the tag. And let me show you again with another example. Let's say PHP tutorial, and let me bold the tutorial, and after that explained. Explained, what should I write? Explain how to use CKEditor, and let me change to italics. If you can see, the source is showing you the HTML source code, and let me change and let me submit it. And now if I'll show you in my database, you can see now HTML source code is stored over there. So that's how you can include CKEditor in your PHP and MySQL project. I hope this video helped you, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.